Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Grav CMS on Oracle Linux 8.5. Grav is a free, self-hosted content management system written in PHP. It uses flat file databases both in the backend and in the frontend. The Grav admin plugin offers an intuitive and simple interface for configuring and creating content. First, I am going to check the OS version. We are currently using Oracle Linux version 8.5. Before installing Grav CMS, we need LAMP setup. I have already installed a LAMP setup. So now I am going to download the Grav CMS package using wget command. Long list of file ls-la. This is the downloaded package. Now I am going to unzip the file. Again, long list of file. This is the extracted directory. Now I am going to move the Grav directory to the Apache root directory. Change the directory name as Grav. Now I am going to give permission for Grav CMS. Now I am going to set ownership for the Grav CMS. After setting the ownership and permission, now I am going to create a virtual configuration file. Using vim command, I am going to create the file. Make insert the virtual host configuration. Now write and quit the file. Now I am going to restart the Apache web service. Once it's restarted, go to web browser. New tab. Enter the IP address. Now we need to create a admin account. Enter the following details. Now click Create User. This is the dashboard of Grav CMS. Now click Pages. Now I'm going to create page template as blog. Enter the title as test. Click Continue. Click Save. The entry saved successfully. To access this site, click New tab. Enter the IP address. Add the extension test. As you can see, we have created a page. This is the home page of Grav CMS. This is the test page we have created. This is the admin page of Grav CMS. With this, the installation of Grav CMS on Oracle Linux 8.5 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.